If you have seen some of my previous videos, some months ago I did a complete restoration of my old 386 computer. But while doing it, I missed to have a mouse for playing some games. Thankfully, I found this old Microsoft mouse, and today I'm going to restore it. Welcome to this mini project. This is the classic Microsoft mouse with a ball. I used it for many years, and it's very dirty and yellow. I know that it's more modern than my old 386, but I thought that it would be a good fit to use in that machine, as it supports PS2 and serial port, so I'm glad I kept it. The first thing I will do is to open it and disassemble all parts. This mouse had very heavy use during some years, so I might find some surprises inside. To open it, I have to remove one of these protections. Hidden inside there is a screw. The truth is that it doesn't look that bad inside. The whole thing disassembles very easy, just pulling the different parts. The cable also can be disconnected very easily from the board, and this is great as it will make it easier to clean. And after removing all parts is the moment for a deep clean. The cable is not in bad shape, just very dirty. And I can see the difference very fast. The next step will be to do some retrobrighting to the plastic parts as they look very yellow. I will use hydrogen peroxide and sunlight, and no, I'm not going to cook it. I know is what it looks like, but I didn't know which recipient to use, so I was just trying. Finally, I ended up using a transparent one and a Ziploc bag to ensure all parts are in contact with the liquid. It has been all day under the sun, and by the end of it, it seems to be ready. And yes, the difference is quite notable. Next, I only have to put back all pieces together. And this is not going to be very difficult. And finally, I will add the serial to PS2 converter to be able to connect it to any old machine. And that's it. It really looks like the first day. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini restoration project. And I'm sure I will find a great use of this old mouse in my 386. Thanks for watching and see you next time.